Over 300 demonstrators detained following a protest for Israeli ceasefire in Congress. New evidence suggests Gaza hospital explosion unrelated to Israel. Blame shifted to a misfired Hamas rocket. Huda Kattan faces backlash over anti-Israel video, sparking threats to her makeup line. Alex Jones warns of potential U.S. terrorist attacks amid border crisis and uncertainty. Speculation arises about Ron DeSantis wearing concealed platform heels in his boots. Starbucks sues its union over a Solidarity with Palestine tweet, citing potential misrepresentation. GOP chaos persists as colleagues vote against top conservative, causing ongoing disruption in Congress.